Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Leah Toshia. Welcome. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a kitchen makeover. And if you're new to my channel, we have only been in this house for about a year. It hasn't even been a full year yet, but I do have an empty house tour video here on my channel. So if you're new and you're not familiar, go watch that. I do not have the finished, furnished house tour on the channel just yet. Honestly, it's taking me way longer to finish this house than I anticipated. So that video is coming in the near-ish future, but it's not up yet. But if you are new, my husband and I bought this house like April, I wanna say, March or April of last year when Miss Rona hit, and we moved in pretty much the week that Texas shut down. So it was a new build and everything in it is very modern and new, which is our aesthetic and our vibe. And when we first saw the house, we absolutely loved it. Still love it. But after a while, I kind of started to not love the gray aspects that we had in our home. So our kitchen cabinets were gray, and I'll pop up some pictures of what our kitchen did look like. And when we first saw it, absolutely loved it because it gave off a very modern vibe, and that's what we were going for. But then the way I ended up decorating the house and the direction I went with the aesthetic of our home, it kind of didn't go with the gray vibes anymore, because I kind of went, I mean, you can kind of see the house behind me, but I kind of went for a more neutral black, whites, creams, wooden vibe. People call it like modern contemporary, I guess. I think it's kind of like that mixed with boho, and then I kind of view it as like Asian inspired with like the wood and things like that. If you can see the entertainment system and stuff, and the shelves over there, there's pieces of wood around, you know, it just goes together. But it doesn't really go well with the gray, in my opinion. So the kitchen cabinets were gray, and then we did get a gray couch to tie in with the gray cabinets, but it just wasn't meshing well for me. So originally I wanted to paint all the kitchen cabinets black, and I took it to Instagram because I feel like you guys on Instagram always just have really good advice and you let me know what I should do. So if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me there because they've been known about this, okay? YouTube always finds out things a little bit later, so definitely follow me on Instagram. But I asked you guys if I should do all black kitchen cabinets. Some people were like, yes, do it. But then some people were like, it's gonna make the kitchen space look and feel smaller if all the cabinets are black. Then I was introduced to two-tone cabinets where your top cabinets and bottom cabinets are two different colors, but it looks really good together. So you guys were sending me photos of black and white two-tone cabinets, and I fell in love. So I will pop up some pictures of the inspo photos that I was using and that I was going for, and that's what we ended up doing. We are gonna get a new couch as well, even though this couch is pretty much brand new. But now that I got rid of the gray kitchen cabinets, the gray couch doesn't go anymore, and I really, really, really wanna get a cream colored, comfy, like deep set couch, because Vic, like, if you don't know my husband, like, he's a large man, so we want like a deeper couch. So if y'all know, I've been looking, okay? I have been looking and I haven't really had any luck. And the problem with couches is you need to sit on them to see if they're comfortable. So buying them online is difficult. But if you guys know of any good stores where they have modern couches that are cream and kind of deep set and don't cost $1 million, because like, that's not in the budget, then please comment it down below because I'm having a hard time finding one. But the goal is to get a cream colored couch to tie everything together. But yes, so I decided on the two-tone cabinets, and the next step was just finding someone who could do it. So I started getting quotes from different painters on how much it would cost to do all that, and the quotes I was getting were quite pricey, and I was like, oh. But then luckily my realtor, Amanda, she's amazing in the DFW area. If you're looking for a realtor, I'll have her information in the description box. She recommended a painter that she has used before and that she has had her clients use before, and his name is Spencer. I'll have his information down below too, but he quoted me a much better price than the quotes I was getting from literally everybody else. And he did an amazing job. Not only is his price way more affordable, but his work is is incredible and they are so fast. So they did everything in 3 days. They came by on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week. So on Monday, I'll insert footage that I have throughout each day. I was at work most of the time, so I don't have that much footage, but I have enough to kind of show you the process. So the process pretty much started with us on Monday because we had to take everything out of our kitchen cabinets and drawers so that when they came, they could, you know, just do what they needed to do. So that was probably the hardest part because I didn't think we had that much stuff. But it turns out we had a lot of stuff. So here's some footage of me, Vic, and his sister boxing up everything in our kitchen, and we pretty much felt like we were moving all over again. So yeah, we just kind of boxed everything up and put it in the garage, but we did leave enough space because the painters were gonna use the garage to do most of the painting so that the fumes wouldn't be in our house. So that took a little bit, but it did kind of force us to clean out stuff that we had in the kitchen that we didn't need, so wasn't too bad.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie.
We put a lot of the kitchen stuff. We're basically just putting it all in the garage, but all of our appliances we just put on this table out here, and our cars are in the driveway so that the painter, ooh, what did I just kick? So that the workers have a space to sand the cabinets and paint and everything, because they don't want to put all the fumes and like, what is it called? Like wood shavings in our house, which is, we appreciate that. But that's what we're doing. Right now we've got most of the stuff out. Oh shit, I keep kicking stuff. These are empty. This one's empty. I think the bottom ones are empty. God, I hope. Oh, they are. Okay, good. Drawers are empty. I think we just have a few more to do. Luna, ma'am, what are you doing? You're getting all dirty. Ma'am, hi. Hi. Okay.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get
Tuesday is when the painters came, and the first day they pretty much just focused on taking the cabinet doors off and the drawers, and then covering and taping everything in our kitchen that wasn't going to be painted. As you can see, they did an immaculate job taping. Like, they were precise. They taped everything up, covered everything, and they kind of blocked off our kitchen so that any sanding and fumes didn't kind of travel throughout the house. It did quite a bit just because we don't have a huge home, but we just opened up the windows in the house and it was perfectly fine. And then I want to say on the first day they did most of the sanding and priming as well. And then on Wednesday is when they did all of the painting. So they painted everything in the garage, and then they did have to paint the base parts that obviously they can't take off of the wall in the kitchen. So they painted everything on the second day, and then they used the third day to pretty much just put everything back together. And then they did come this this morning for 1 hour just to make sure everything was perfect and do any last minute touch-ups. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All we have left to do really is now we have to put everything that are in those boxes back in the cabinets and drawers. But I did order some really cool organizing things on Amazon that will be here on Sunday. So we're probably gonna do that on Sunday. And I'll probably just show all of that, like the organizing and stuff, on my Instagram stories. So again, if you like organizational stuff, follow me on Instagram because that'll be on my stories on Sunday. Or actually today when this video goes up. Yeah, today when this video goes up, when you guys are seeing this is when we're gonna be putting everything back in our cabinets, and I'll be showing you guys on the stories what organizing stuff that we got for the cabinets and the drawers. And I got some pretty cool stuff for like cups and these really cool wire thingies. You'll see, follow me on Instagram, you'll see, watch my stories. I'll have everything linked there so that if you need that kind of stuff, it'll be there for you. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that they did. Like I said, it was super fast. We didn't have access to our fridge, microwave, or stove for the last 2 days. So we just kind of had to order out, but it was worth it because it looks so good. I don't want to wait any longer for you guys to see the finished product. So let's head over to the kitchen.
This is before, and this is the after.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out.
So we went, like I said, with the two-tone cabinet. So all the tops are white and you can see all the bottoms are black. We kept the same exact hardware that we had before. It was just these silver, simple handlebars, I guess, or knobs on all of them. And I think it goes really well. We already had the black appliances, so it ties in perfectly. And I don't know if you can tell, but I instantly could tell how much bigger our kitchen feels with the white being on the top, and then obviously we already had the white subway tiles underneath, so it just flows better. The countertops are kind of like a light white color as well, so it goes together so well. And again, I took this suggestion from you guys on Instagram, so I really appreciate it because we love the way that it turned out. Eventually you guys will see the rest of the house and how we decorated everything and how it just goes so much better with the white and black versus the gray. But yeah, this is the finished look of our new kitchen. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We might be doing an office makeover as well, so let me know if you guys want to see that video. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history.